Welcome to 2412 Fulton Street. This is a two-level rent-control apartment that's just been redone from top to bottom, and it could be used as 6 to 7 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and some of them are sort of double baths. We're starting in the kitchen, and it features a stainless side-by-side refrigerator with beverage service. It's got a nice amount of cabinets, granite counters. It has a stainless dishwasher by Bosch, double sinks with a retractable faucet and a disposal, and a Bosch gas range with hood. Some pretty nice built-in shelves. Headed towards the front of the apartment, just off the kitchen, we have a laundry. And it's a Whirlpool duet system, tucked away nicely in this closet. There's the front door to Fulton Street. And we'll take a look at each one of the rooms. Room number 1, it has a raised platform that everybody asks about, and basically it's raised so there's room for a car to get in the garage below. We have 3 windows looking onto Fulton Street. You can see these nice hardwood floors throughout. Onward, this second room. It opens up to a terrace. And this terrace looks over what used to be the Starship Jefferson airplane house in the 60s. The apartment goes with a yard, so you have plenty of outdoor space. There's recessed lighting in almost all the rooms. Onward, room 3. It's a smaller bedroom, but not too small. It's got a pretty big window looking onto a light well. And it has a interesting closet with a little bench in the back, and then another sort of partial closet here. If you want doors on either of these closets, I believe it's possible. The first of 3 baths, natural stone tile throughout, stall shower and tub with shower. A granite vanity, nice mirror. And there's a pocket door that also goes into the next room. Back through the kitchen, we get to room number 4. It has a nice pocket door that opens up to the room. And this is where we saw the bath, so you have direct access to the bath where you can close that off. And this room also opens up to the same patio. This is the smallest room. Room number 5 comes with a bay window. So we're kind of part of the building and then also into the garden for the Jefferson airplane house. And it also has a pocket door. Onward. We'll get to this in a second. There's a master suite that can be used as a master suite by using that as the door, or as a regular bedroom with the bath being a hall bath. And this bath also has the pocket door, a nice vanity, and a stall shower with a glass door. And then room number 6, surrounded by windows, has a nice big closet. More high ceilings, more light. And You see here, excuse the scaffolding and the cuttings, but they've been working on this property. It's not quite done. This entire backyard goes with this apartment. Nobody else uses it. And this door here will take you down to that yard. But there's also another way to get there, and that is into room number 7, which acts as a second master suite if you wanted to. There's a door here that you can close. And room number 7 is quite spacious. Sorry about the ladder and the scaffolding again, they're almost done. And we'll take another look at this yard that goes with it. So it's a pretty spacious patio. It's the whole rear yard. And this room has super high ceilings, 4 big windows, a door to the patio. Could also be used as its own private entry in a way. Big closet. And another double bath, double sinks, tub with shower and stall shower. And this one's really nicely tiled with the natural stone tile too. Sorry about that blur. If you're interested in leasing 2412 Fulton Street, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you.